So welcome again. Yes, today we will be looking at how to cite anonymous authors in APA 7. So there are situations whereby the author is unknown. When the author is unknown, that author is considered as anonymous author. So we shall be looking at how do we cite such an author, the author who is not known in APA 7. So we are saying so that when an author is listed as anonymous, when the author is anonymous, that word anonymous takes the place of the author's name in the in-text citation and also in the references. So instead of having the surname, then you have the word anonymous. That one will appear in the in-text citation as well as in the reference list. So for instance, if your in-text citation is in parentheses, then you write the word anonymous, then comma the year of the publication. If it is in a narrative format, when the in-text citation is in form of a narrative, you write anonymous, then you put the year into bracket. So you can see that the word anonymous is replacing the surname of the author. So when you look at the reference list, you can see that the word anonymous here is the first word, meaning that it takes the place of the surname. So you have the word anonymous, full stop, then the year, and then the rest of the reference. So when you look at an example of a paragraph, so you can see that this is a whole paragraph. So when you are citing that reference, you can see that this one is in form of a parenthesis. When the citation is in form of a parenthesis, you can see that it has been put. You put the bracket, you put the word anonymous, you put a comma, you put the year. So let's assume that it was at the beginning of the sentence, that is in a narrative format. So you can say anonymous, or you can say according to anonymous, into bracket 2023. Then you continue with your writing. So you can see that this word anonymous has been used there. So that is how you cite an unknown author in APA 7. Thank you.